food to take down.
Sure, walking down.
Oh. Hmm?
No, the grocery bags, I think some more water.
Oh, here. I have some bags because I've gone. So, yeah. Hey Donovan.
What's up?
Can you turn this fan off?
The switch is, it's right there next to the TV. If you turn it to the left 4
It'll
times.
turn it off?
Yeah, here, let me watch you.
No, if it's left.
Left. Will it turn anymore?
Nope.
Okay, it's off.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. So, when I turned on the dumbwaiter and then pushed down, the floor started rumbling.
Well, don't even touch that switch again, okay?
Alright.
Please.
Okay, but
Alrighty. Because the dumbwaiter may be up as far as it'll go or down as far as it'll go, and when you're pushing that switch, you're just, maybe why you could feel the floor vibrating.
Well, it actually wasn't. It was actually on the top floor in Aunt Jen's bedroom. And it's not like manually controlled like old elevators. It's like if you push the down button, it'll go down until it reaches the bottom floor. And if you push up, it'll come up until it stops.
Yeah, but if you're, just don't mess with it anymore, please.
Okay. I just wanted to turn it on once for a video, if that's okay with you.
No, don't turn it on.
Okay.
Do not turn it on again.
Alright. I just find it interesting, because I've really never seen a dumbwaiter.
But there's just one of those things that you can't do anything about it. And then when you're done filming that fan, yeah, turn that one down too, please.